Hi everyone, just about to sharpen this new axe that I got. There's a nice shot of it. Just put it in a glove in the vise so it doesn't scratch the eye. It's got a nice handle, probably hickory, but I'm not sure because it didn't say on the website. Got this from Southern Swords, English sort of UK website, but it does come, as you can see, completely dull. Butter knife's probably sharper than this. That's because it's got an extremely abrupt angle on it. So we're going to turn this into sort of more of like a machete or a knife blade. So for that, I'm going to use the Sharpening knife sharpener. I'm just going to tilt this off to the side so it's more like a one of those detail sanders. And I've got all the belts here for it. I'm probably going to go extra coarse, and then maybe end it at medium. See how I feel. You don't want an edge too fine on an axe. If it's going to be like a working axe or chopping through meat or bone. And we'll see how it goes. So here's the progress I've made so far. It's got sort of a convex sort of apple seed shaped edge now. Let me try and... yeah. So it's getting there. I'm just going to keep doing that, and hopefully it'll be thin enough around the edge, and then I'll give it a final sharpen with some of the finer grit belts. Okay, so I'm finished. I did buy two of the same axe because one of them someone else purchased. I just bought both at the same time to save us waiting. So this one here is the finished product. It's hard to see on camera, but I used all the belts on the Sharpening knife sharpener. As you can see, it's got a rough mirror polish. And it's definitely more of a convex sort of apple seed shape now, opposed to how it was on the original edge, which looked like this. As you can see, that really doesn't look like it could cut at all. More of a blunt impact weapon. As I showed earlier, this thing wasn't really even butter knife sharp. You could run your hand along it and it wouldn't cut you. So yeah, this one, I'm not going to run my hand along, obviously. So I'm going to sharpen this one now for the other person. I should just get some flex tape. Tape them together, shouldn't I? Make a pretty cool battle axe. Even though the double bit axe was not used in battle from what we know. Okay, I'll sharpen the other one and I'll do a test afterwards with a sharpened axe on a water jug. Just setting up the camera now, ready to use the somewhat mirror polished edge. I went through every belt on the Sharpening knife sharpener, so hopefully it should do pretty good. Apologies for what I'm about to do. I only have one milk jug, so I really hope this turns out well. actually hit with a decent amount of force, it burst the seam on the side. But yeah, that's definitely a clean cut. It hit how I'd expect for an axe. Cut partly, and then as the eye hits, sort of pushes the target out the way. But this is definitely sharp. See you later.